Hello guys and welcome back to another video. This is Jonathan from Technical Limitless here to empower your inner creativity, so keep watching. Okay, so today I'm going to teach you how to hyperlink your photos or any of your wordings if you want to hyperlink it to your photos. Okay, so now you can see on my PC here that I have created a document index file. Now if you have not created, please refer to my video above getting started with Adobe Dreamweaver and follow up with the other videos of my previous videos. Okay, so in order for me to hyperlink, now what I will need to do is that can click on any of the words which I want to hyperlink. Let's say I want to hyperlink here. So alright, so you click this, maybe this is a cooking dish, alright, so I click here, hyperlink. And then you can click before, after, or you want it next. Okay, that means next will be after the header, or after is right hand side, or before is before the header. Okay, so before that means here, after that means here, and next is the next line. So I will put it in this case, maybe I'll just click anywhere I want, header, then maybe I'll just put cooking photo. And then link. Now, in order for me to link, I have to click on the folder to which file I want. And then I will have to go to, you will have to click on your project, wherever you save. And then you can click here because it must have a source file in your folder. Right? So when you create a folder, when you want to hyperlink, you will need to go back to the folder, the originated folder where you got it from. So in this case, I got it from desktop. I saved it in my desktop. So we've done it in project. We saved it in project in the previous videos. If you followed the previous videos, you might have created a folder called project. Alright. So in this project, we have where we can actually select the picture. Now, clicking on this picture, you click OK. Alright. So you come out as Photoshop picture, and then where you want to target. Alright. On a new page, on a blank, on a self, on a parent, or where you want to save, where you want to put. Alright, so you can select, you can play with it. Alright, and then the title, you can put it as if you have the title, then you click as title. So you click OK, and here you go. You will be able to, you will see that the thing has changed, alright, to purple. That means they say that they are hyperlink the cooking photo. And now when I click here, what happens is that it will open a new page. So this is my live page. So you will just open another page. Right? So that's how you will hyperlink a photo. Alright, so thank you guys for watching, and I hope you enjoyed this video. Do remember to subscribe, like, and give your comments below if you find this video helpful. Thank you all and have a great day.